Want to know how to split your C# code into multiple files? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily refactor or split your C# code into multiple files so that it's cleaner and the more structured. And let's get right into it. Now just simply open up your cursor AI and you should be seeing this code right here. And now once I've selected that, just simply select Ctrl+A. And now once I've selected Ctrl+A, just simply select Quick Edit right here. And now once I've selected Quick Edit, here you can see your edit selection popping up. Now just simply type in this. Now once I've selected enter, as you can see right here, the code should be changed automatically and you should be good to go. And that's it, the sims like keep and you're okay. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you next one.